Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. There are 6 clips that need to be removed. Though this model we were filming was missing 2 clips, use a flathead screwdriver to slowly pry off the clip. Remove the panel beside the hydraulic arm. Remove the front panel. The air filter is located here. There are 4 screws that secure the housing. Remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver, or if the screws are too rusted, try a socket wrench. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF4045 filter into the housing. Once the filter is fully flush with the edges, close the housing. Remember that driving without an air filter is dangerous, and replacing your filter can improve your gas mileage. Reinstall the screws. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the front panel, again realigning with the rivet holes. Reinstall the panel under the hydraulic arm. Reinstall the clips. Close the hood. visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.